Beaufort, North Carolina this morning and discovered they have a farmer's market on Saturday. So Forrest and I just took a little walk. He's gonna wait in the van and I'm gonna go check it out. I just got some lovely strawberry shortcake for a donation only. They're raising money. Got some food, strawberries and green beans at the Merrill Farm. I also scored some mini loaves at the Wildflower Bakery, where there is now a line. And the line just died down over at the Turner Street Market, and I got a ham and cheese pastry for breakfast tomorrow. So I think that I have probably spent enough money, and I'm gonna head back to the van. All right, so I would say the farmer's market was a success. I had a lot of fun walking around, checking out the different stalls. It's tempting to spend a lot of money on little doodads like carved wooden bowls, which I love, and ceramics, which I love, but I don't have a place for them in the van. So that's one advantage of van life, is it keeps me from spending way too much money on things I'd love to have. But I did get some nice groceries, and I'll be heading to the grocery store later today, but I love to have fresh things and local things when possible. And I was definitely smart to get here early. I got here just a couple minutes before 9 when the market opens. Parking lot was empty, and now it is full. So here's my treasure trove from the farmer's market. This is my little ham and cheese pastry for breakfast tomorrow. I got some fresh new potatoes and green beans. Probably be dinner tonight to go with maybe some pasta. I don't know, we'll see. And then these peanuts. Heavenly peanuts from one of the churches that was doing a fundraiser. Those were only $4, and you know how expensive nuts are these days. And then some lovely fresh strawberries, which I think I'll have to freeze half of them because I can only eat so many strawberries. Fresh bread from the Wildflower Bakery, and also some cheddar crackers that look like a delightful treat. They've got pecans on top, so I feel like I hit the jackpot this morning. And there's one other thing I picked up. This is for Forrest. It's paw balm. So this will help when his paws get dry from the hiking that we are doing. And I'm excited about trying that. It's handmade, all natural. So hopefully it'll work well on his little baby paws. What do you think about that, Forrest? Good stuff, huh? Well, after a lovely time at the farmer's market in Beaufort, I decided to come across through Morehead City to the Atlantic Beach area, and at the end of the island is Fort Macon. So we're gonna explore this area. We just parked up there behind me, and we're heading out towards the water, and we're just gonna poke around for a bit, see what we find. All right, here's the beach. Not a sunny day, but it's still gorgeous. Think of the beach, bud? Okay, no. He's gonna jump on me and get me all wet to tell me how much he likes it. Are you silly? Wanna go get wet? Yeah. No. There's a really pretty blue sailboat out there. And I just looked up a house I saw in Beaufort, a little tiny rundown cottage for $400,000. Makes me wonder if maybe I should consider living on a boat instead. We're just doing a little nature trail this morning because I did not wear hiking shoes. I know I could go back to the van and get them, but it's a pretty little trail, and it's got lots and lots of these little markers for all the different types of plants, so it's nice from an educational standpoint. Oh, this is not natural. It's beyond me why somebody would drag their Christmas tree all the way out here to a state park to ditch it. I don't understand sometimes. And look at that boat going out. Looks like a nice one to race. All right, 1, 2, 3, 4 more Christmas trees. What's up with that? And that makes 5, 6, 7. Which I'm starting to wonder if that's being done by the park, if they had some kind of Christmas tree here and they think this is a natural way to dispose of them. There are more up here, and they are lining the edge of the trail. I don't know, what is that? A whole bunch more. If you know, I'd be interested to find out if you want to share with me down in the comments. Maybe those trees make good habitat for some of the critters that live around here. I don't know. It seems like if you wanted to just throw them out in the woods to decompose, you might do it someplace where they weren't right on a trail. So I'm puzzled. Well, Forrest can't go in the fort here, and I was hoping I'd at least see it. But it looks like you have to go through this to get to it. So I'm gonna walk around a bit and find out if that's the case, if there's no alternate routes. If we can't see it, I guess that's travel life. Sometimes you win, sometimes you don't. Oh, I kind of forgot, since we enjoy walking around so much, that today is cannon launch day, and they just set one off here behind the fort, and Forrest is not happy. So we are gonna go back to the van and find someplace else to explore. I didn't see any times posted for that, and I was hoping that they were already done for the day, but I guess not. And thankfully it wasn't as loud as like a firecracker going off or anything like that, but definitely heard it, and it scared some birds and scared Forrest. You okay, buddy? You okay? Yeah, let's go back to your van. All better now? Yeah. Good deal, puppy. I'm sorry. Forgot all about it. Well, after Forrest was startled by the cannon fire, we came around the edge of the park. This is a different parking area. It's a lot quieter, and it's right on the Atlantic Ocean. This is Atlantic Beach, the north end of Atlantic Beach. And the state park has a lot of nice little picnic shelters the other side of these dunes. We just came up that way from the parking area. And it looks like there's also a lovely observation area, restrooms and that sort of thing over there. And there's something about a gray day at the beach that I just really love. Sunshine's nice, but calming and peaceful, I guess, when there's storms on the horizon. I know that might not make a lot of sense, but that's a feeling that I get. Where's the wave? Is it right there? You gonna catch another one? You're gonna get wet. Forrest just got rinsed off, and the older he gets, the more you can see the Yorkie in him. Look at all this wild hair on his back. And he can't wait to get his gentle leader off.